Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to download iOS 27 developer beta. So guys, if you're trying to download iOS 27 but it is stuck on unable to download and you are unable to install or download the iOS 27 beta on your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and if it is full then delete some useless data from your device. So guys, do this, and after this go back to your home screen again and then drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection and your Wi-Fi is working properly. And after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply go to support section, and from here you can get any kind of support regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.